Hello Jimmy, if you decided to enroll at ENU in next semester and then you're taking the ENGL 367 English usage class, and what I want to advise is before the class started, first thing you have to do is you have to buy a new book. Okay, why you should buy a notebook is to organize the new vocabulary and expression what you will learn in this class, because in this class you will learn so many English usage, like new vocabulary and expression, idiom and slang. So you have to take a note. Okay, you have to take a note so that you have to revise. It means you have to review every day, like 1 minute or 15 or 20 minutes a day, so that you will remember what you have learned in the class. And the first thing what I want to give suggestion is you have to choose the rightful words when you are taking a new word in your notebook, in your vocabulary book. So how you will choose it? Okay, you have to think carefully that the word is you need to know and you need to understand, and you will hear and you will read in your daily conversation or in your daily reading. And also the second thing is you are going to deal with the new words at that time. How you are going to deal with them, so you have to prepare yourself how you will do it when you saw the new paragraph or new passage and in the book or in the reading. So the first thing what you have to do for the dealing with the new one is you have to keep listening, and then you have to keep reading until the end of the sentence. After that you have to try to figure out the meaning of the whole sentence, so that you can guess or you can predict that what the new words mean. Okay, that is the second thing I want to give the advice. And the third advice is that organizing word by meaning and word class in your notebook, vocabulary notebook. The first thing when you saw the new word, you have to do is searching meaning in the best dictionary, like Ismail Merriam-Webster. That one is I used to go and look for the new meaning, because in the Merriam-Webster they give the meaning, and also they give the word class, like verb. The verb is the new word is the verb, noun or adjective, and also it gives the Ismail sentence for the new word. So it's useful for me, so I use the Merriam-Webster. And also there's so many different ways when you are taking note for the new word in your notebook. For the first way I used is using the diagram, like word tree. Word tree is like you're using the main word, like you're mainly looking for the holiday, is a holiday, and then beside the holiday you are going to look for the related word, like during the holiday when you are going to, and what are you going to do in the holiday. So you like Ismail, you going to the Kanchanaburi, and then where are you going to stay there, like hotel. So you put the branch like a hotel, and also how and the related one like span, enjoy or stay, something like that. So there will be so many branch. Okay, so many branch. So that's Ismail for the word tree. And another thing is that the word fox, using the word fox how you are going to use your word for is like you are going to associate an adjective or verb with a noun. Like you're going to use the original, those are brilliant, unusual, great, or excellent. Those are the adjective words. And then you will think about the what are there. Now you can use with those adjectives. It's a idea. So you can use the original idea and the brilliant idea, unusual idea, great idea, excellent idea, something like that you are going to use. So you are going to prepare those. You are going to start if you can study first like how you are going to do with the workbox, or how you are going to do with the word tree when you are going to note down for the new vocabulary. By doing those things, it will make it easier for you to remember those new vocabulary. That's what I want to give for my suggestion to you. Prepare for your English user class. Thank you so much.